Okay, there are boxes. Mommy, Italian.
Who is this? Oh, that's
Mommy, let's open. Let's open our gift
for us. That turbine that's breakable. This is mine.
Okay, next.
Okay, ate, oh, ate.
Okay, small one is this.
Keyboard. Ito sa amin eh. No, that's Eli's. This is mine.
Other gift.
The other gift.
There's MJ.
It's mine. That's mine.
Where's the?
What's
No,
this?
it's okay. That's your exchange gift. I know that's Daddy's.
I wanna open it.
Let's see.
This is the your exchange gift, Brian. When This
What
is
is
here.
this?
I put it there.
Oh my god!
You give this all. This is for
My
yours.
favorite.
You give it to her.
This is my favorite.
Give it.
What's the matter? So how do you even win against players who literally can't die? The oldest trick in the book. Leave the game.
Brian.
What if Keon woke up and walked on Squid Game? From the beginning, secrets breaking the rules.
Oh my god!
Kanino galing yan? Bibili.
Sino bigay nito?
So how do you win against players who literally can't die? Use the oldest trick in the book and make them leave the game. What if Keon woke up and walked on Squid Game? See people breaking the rules.
Anda, daw mamaya na daw pag-video.
Hoy, nabukas ko. Ate, pasahin mo nga.
Galing kay Tito Bagbang, kanina kay Balat kay Ading Lucy.
Oh, thank you, God. Your birthday Lucy.
Okay guys.
Kanino yan? Ano yan?
What if Squid Game was played by animals?
Dalawa lang.
Some animals will take advantage while others will
Just
also see some
two.
animals who are already while others you don't see at all. But
Yes!
has its ups and downs. Squid Games like tug of war and
What did you get?
but during games like Clash of Bridge, the element must
Come on!
like some animals will have to take advantage.
Look.
Also see some animals
Wow,
who are
gift.
already
Dustin.
while others you don't
Just
see at
them
all.
look peaceful like me.
Okay, next is this.
Mommy.
Let's go. Oh, early ball.
Wait, can you open it?
Squid Game was played by animals.
Althea.
Wow!
Ninong cute. Kanino galing yung Hello Kitty bag? Kanino galing yung drawing?
But during games like Clash of Clans,
Mabasa niya mo?
Nabasa niya kay Ate Ellen.
Thank you for the morning.
Ayan. Where's your air bags? Don't stutter that.
being big or small has its ups and downs.
Yeah.
In games like
Wow!
But during games like Last Bridge, the elephant must confront a room and save. What if Squid Game were played by animals? Like some animals will have the advantage while others. We also see some animals who are already doomed to lose, while others who don't see at all. Being big or small has its ups and downs, because in games like Tug of War, the smaller ones must confront the elephant in the room. But during games like Class, what if Squid Game players weren't allowed to sleep at all? Every time someone's eyes closed, a guard would smack them awake with a
Okay ka lang.
After 24 hours, reaction time and coordination
Ah, Mommy, I cannot blow. I can't blow.
rises by 48%. body will force itself to sleep if you don't get it together.
Kailangan indo yun eh.
After 100
Ginawa dito niya ate.
shutting down and thinking what if squeaky was firstly, they won't be scared of the dog. They're reporting it to child safety. Finally walks to the finish line. During Delgado,
Yo!
Uy, bala ka. Ma! 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 Ma!
Ah! Skinny wala.
Wow, nagiging. Oo, kunin ni Brian. Ala na, basag na.
Blog, blog.
Kunin Brian, don't mess up.
We got it! Yo! Cameraman!
Ryan, do you put your money?
Okay na! Okay lang!
It's not gonna deflate. Go down. Hindi naman yan sa'yo. Di ba? Wait. Let's do the big one. Give it.
Let's open the big one! Let's open the jumbo one! Over here, bro. Okay. You wanna finish it now? Mama, you want it?
Lagay mo na yung bag mo doon, yung pera mo sa bag mo.
Inang-putibot to yan.
Ooh! So big! Big gift!
Ay, hindi natin yan ulit. Grabe mo na.
Wow!
Ito po nila.
It's a gift! Big gift!
Help me!
Ooh! Kuya Bryce, so happy!
Please! Open it!
Yes, okay, I will open. Okay, okay, open. We will open.
Where is it? Okay lang yan. Where is it? Oh no! So where is it? No, 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 no. Where is it? Oh my god, where's the figurine? Where's the figurine?
Hey, hang on. Oh, Kuya Brian, please.
Let's build it.
Yeah. So, ilayo mo yan, ilayo mo. Ilayo mo yun. Huwag kang magkano, kunin mo yun. Bigay mo sa kanya. Baka ano, mag-ano-ano. Daddy. Yun.
Isang ni naman.
Ilayo mo yan para hindi magkahalo-halo. Ilayo mo. Naku, ang dami nito. Ilayo mo na yung dami. Ang dami. Naku, patay tayo. Baka maghalo-halo.
Tomorrow na yan. Kasi mula din tomorrow, Bryce.
Yes.
May instruction mo, bawal. Tomorrow na yan, Bryce. Brian.
Halo-halo. Mamor.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Patay tayo. Iwalay mo ah. Lahat to sa kanya. Lahat to sa kanya.
But here's instruction.
Hindi, huwag mo na yan. Oh, yeah. Instruction, okay.
Tomorrow na Brian na yan. Gusto mo mabahubuhin
We'll do it later.
Matagal yan.
We'll do it later, I promise.
Wala na yan ha. Pitch na tayo ha.
Patay. It's a puzzle.
Right here. Right here.
It's a puzzle. It's a big puzzle. Okay. It's a big puzzle.
No.
Patay tayo. Pag-interesan niya kaya yata. Pag-interesan niya kaya yata. Sa dami. At na-challenge siya rito.
May isa dyan eh. Brian na tomorrow na yan. Try. Listening. Tomorrow, we're gonna buy battery for that part. Di battery yan eh.
Gagalaw. Gagalaw din.
I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it
Ito
back.
kaya ano to?
Kung saan magkaano po.
I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah, sige. Calculate back na raw yung muna.
Oh. Oh.
Ipuput back lang.
Bakit? Put it back. Tomorrow, you will assemble. Go. Tomorrow, you will assemble, ha? Okay.
Ayan na pala, may Hello Kitty ka na pala eh.
You need to 1 day to assemble that.
Ayun.
1 day to assemble. Okay? 1 day to assemble that. A big puzzle dyan, Kuya Brian. Brian.
900 lahat.
A big... Oops! Saan yung pera? Wow!
Kasi na palaro mo yan.
May pera ka pa?
Where's the marble?
Ay, nainanap ka nga lang.
May pera naman
Kasi na yung palaro mo.
One book!
Ay naku, inay. Mamaya, ayun ka.
Tama na ka. Maroro ka. Sige, sige. Ito. Sige, po. Wait, sige. Po. Ito. Okay, ito. Pupukan mo. Po. Ganon.
No!
It's okay, anak. It's okay. Tomorrow we're gonna fix that. Hindi magagalit.
May blood na siya.
Daddy, I do.
Tomorrow we're gonna fix that.
Hindi, sa'yo yun.
Mommy,
What battery is for